GM counter statistics of counting. Aim to study the variation of count rate with applied voltage and hence to determine plateau and operating voltage of a counter. Theory. The Ginger counter is also known as Ginger tube. This is a gas-based detector which uses ionization of gas by radiation as a primary tool to detect radiation. The tube is in the form of cylinder and is filled up with noble gas at a certain low pressure. A metallic string which runs through the central axis of the cylinder shape forms the anode, whereas the outer shell serves as a cathode. Any radiation incident on the tube will ionize the noble gas. The electron thus ejected will attract towards the anode, whereas the heavy ions will move slowly towards cathode. These charges will further ionize more number of atoms, thereby setting up ions and electrons which set up a discharge current. The current causes the voltage between anode and cathode to drop, which the counter detects as a signal. Since the detection is based on the avalanche, therefore the output pulses are independent of the energy brought in by the incident radiation. GM counter is a detector of ionizing particle produced due to ionization by a high energy particle passing through the gas. There will be a variation in the count rate with voltage for a standard radiation source. But such variation gives rise to plateau in which the count becomes partially independent of applied high voltage. The voltage in the middle region of this plateau is known as operating voltage V0 of the counter. Below plateau, the voltage is so high that continuous discharge will take place in the table. The count rate increases rapidly and the tube must not be used in this region. The highest voltage end of the plateau is known as the rising voltage V2. The statistical fluctuation in a radioactive decay can be studied using GM counter. The fluctuations are studied using Poisson distribution, which gives the frequency distribution among equal intervals. Let capital N be the number of readings. According to statistics, the standard deviation given by S or sigma, we have the formula sigma equal to root sigma x by mean sigma mean x whole square by n, where x is a set of numbers, mean is the average of the set of numbers, n is the size of the set, and sigma is the standard deviation. Next we move on to procedure. The GM counter is a very efficient and accurate device for counting individual particles that occur in extremely repeat succession. Power up the unit and select the menu option to program on the keypad of the GM counter and select present time and select the required time as 10 seconds. Then press start button to read the counts and gradually increase the high voltage by rotating the high voltage knob to change the voltage. Take a fresh reading at this point, that means starting point, and record the observation for each high voltage setting. The counting continues until the rate of count suddenly increases. This is the discharge region of GM tube. A graph between voltage and count is drawn. The operating voltage is found from the graph. The GM counter is set at the operating voltage. The gamma source is kept in a fixed position and counting is noted at intervals of 10 seconds. The number of counts should be greater than 300 for large value of n. The value of standard deviation is calculated. A graph is plotted between the frequency along y-axis and number of counts along x-axis. The shape of the curve will be Gaussian. From the graph, the value of full width at maximum calculated. There is given the GM counter plateau graph, applied voltage on x-axis and count rate on y-axis. There is plateau region below. Before that plateau region we have proportional region, and after that plateau region we have continuous discharge region. There is GM counter structure, ionization radiation incident, that metal tube, cylindrical shaped metal tube. There is mica window. So we have expected result. Frequency distribution curve is plotted and Gaussian profile is obtained. Value of full width at a half maximum from calculation and from graph also noted. The standard deviation can be calculated. Thank you.